Welcome to Auto Pulse, the channel where passion meets performance and legends come alive on two wheels. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most exclusive and luxurious motorcycles ever created by Harley-Davidson, the Harley-Davidson CVO. This is not just a motorcycle. It is a statement of power, prestige, craftsmanship, and heritage. Built for riders who demand the absolute best, the CVO lineup represents the highest level of factory customization Harley-Davidson has to offer. In this video, we will explore the legacy, design, performance, technology, riding experience, pricing, and final thoughts on what makes the Harley-Davidson CVO a true king of the road. The legacy of Harley-Davidson CVO. The custom vehicle operations, commonly known as CVO, was introduced by Harley-Davidson to showcase what happens when engineering excellence meets handcrafted luxury. The idea behind CVO was simple yet bold. Take Harley's most iconic touring and cruiser platforms and elevate them to an elite level straight from the factory. Instead of relying on aftermarket upgrades, Harley-Davidson designed CVO models with premium paint, high-output engines, exclusive finishes, and cutting-edge technology already installed. Over the years, CVO motorcycles have become symbols of status, reserved for riders who want exclusivity without compromise. Each CVO model is produced in limited numbers, making ownership feel personal and rare. This legacy has turned the Harley-Davidson CVO into a dream machine for serious enthusiasts and collectors alike. Design and aesthetic. The design and aesthetic of the Harley-Davidson CVO are nothing short of breathtaking. From the first glance, you can tell this motorcycle is built differently. The paintwork alone sets it apart, featuring multi-layer, hand-finished custom paint schemes that shimmer under sunlight and demand attention wherever the bike goes. Chrome accents, brushed metal finishes, color-match components, and premium leather seats all come together to create a visual masterpiece. Every line, curve, and detail feels intentional, blending classic Harley styling with modern luxury. Whether it's the aggressive front fairing, sculpted fuel tank, or massive touring stance, the CVO commands respect on the road. This bike doesn't just look expensive, it looks legendary. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Harley-Davidson CVO lies a powerhouse engine designed to deliver effortless torque and commanding performance. Typically equipped with the Milwaukee 8 121 or 117 cubic inch engine, the CVO offers some of the strongest factory performance Harley-Davidson has ever produced. The engine delivers massive low-end torque, allowing the bike to surge forward with authority even at low RPMs. Throttle response is smooth yet aggressive when needed, making highway cruising and overtaking feel effortless. Despite its size and weight, the CVO feels surprisingly responsive, offering a balanced combination of raw power and refined control. This engine is not about chasing top speed. It's about dominating the road with confidence and presence. Technology and features. The Harley-Davidson CVO is packed with advanced technology designed to enhance comfort, safety, and convenience. At the center is a large touchscreen infotainment system powered by Harley's Boom Box, offering navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone integration, and premium audio quality. High-end speakers ensure crystal-clear sound even at highway speeds. Rider aids such as traction control, cornering ABS, hill hold assist, and selectable ride modes provide confidence in various riding conditions. Keyless ignition, tire pressure monitoring, and adaptive LED lighting further elevate the experience.